In a land far, far away, there lived a little girl named Lucy. Lucy loved to cook and dreamt of becoming the best chef in the kingdom. She spent her days experimenting with different recipes and flavors, always eager to create something delicious. One day, Lucy learned about a cooking competition that was going to take place in the nearby village. It was a chance for her to showcase her skills and fulfill her dream of winning a cooking competition. Excitedly, Lucy decided to participate. Lucy prepared her best recipe, a secret family dish passed down through generations. She named it Lucy's Magical Delight. With her apron on and ingredients in hand, she set off for the competition. As Lucy arrived at the competition, she noticed that the other participants were seasoned chefs from renowned restaurants. Doubt began to creep into her mind, but she reminded herself of her dream and pushed forward. The competition began, and one by one, each chef presented their dishes. The judges were impressed by the creativity and flavors they experienced. Finally, it was Lucy's turn. With a shaky voice, Lucy presented her dish to the judges. They took a bite, and their eyes widened in surprise. The flavors exploded in their mouths, and they couldn't help but smile. Lucy's Magical Delight was a hit. Just as Lucy was feeling confident, she noticed a commotion near the entrance. A mischievous penguin named Brian had waddled into the competition hall. He slipped and slid across the floor, knocking over pots and pans, creating chaos wherever he went. Lucy's heart sank as she saw her carefully prepared dishes falling to the ground. She knew she had to do something quickly before it was too late. Determined not to let Brian ruin her chances, she sprang into action. With quick thinking, Lucy grabbed a broom and started gently herding Brian towards the exit. Brian, being a mischievous penguin, thought it was all a game and happily followed Lucy's lead. They danced and twirled around the room, creating a spectacle that had everyone laughing. As Lucy and Brian reached the exit, the judges and participants applauded their efforts. Lucy's quick thinking and ability to handle unexpected challenges had won their hearts. With the chaos settled, Lucy returned to her dish, hoping it was still presentable. To her surprise, the judges had saved her plate and were eager to taste it again. They took another bite, and their smiles grew wider. Lucy's Magical Delight was still as delicious as ever. The time came for the winners to be announced. Lucy stood among the other participants, her heart pounding with anticipation. The judge cleared his throat and said, "The winner of this year's cooking competition is Lucy." Lucy's dream had come true. She was overjoyed and couldn't believe it. She rushed forward to receive her prize, a golden chef's hat, and a cookbook filled with new recipes. From that day forward, Lucy became known as the best chef in the kingdom. She opened her own restaurant, where people from all over came to taste her magical dishes. And as for Brian the mischievous penguin, he became Lucy's loyal taste tester, always there to add a touch of fun and adventure to her cooking. And so, Lucy's cooking adventure ended with a triumph. She proved that with determination, quick thinking, and a pinch of laughter, dreams can come true.